Over the past few months, we've seen headlines that highlight growing concerns about the economy. Inflation is still lingering, interest rates are high, and with the uncertainty in the stock market, a lot of investors, especially high earners, are rethinking their strategies. But here's the question: what are they doing about it? Meet Mark and Linda, a couple from Scottsdale, Arizona. They both worked their entire lives to build a successful future. Mark as a senior executive, and Linda as a financial planner. Together, they built a comfortable nest egg, over $1.2 million in their combined 401k accounts. But as the economy shifted, they felt uneasy. They started seeing headlines about the rise in inflation and the instability in global markets. They heard about the risks to the stock market, and with their retirement plans tied up in those very markets, the anxiety began to build. Would their hard-earned savings last? Could they protect it from losing value? That's when they made a pivotal decision. They took action, and they didn't do it alone. They reached out for a free gold IRA consultation, a move that ultimately gave them peace of mind and, as they would later tell you, a stronger financial future. The world is changing, and high earners like Mark and Linda are making a shift towards something more stable. The reason? A gold IRA. Gold has been a trusted asset for thousands of years. It has survived economic crashes, political turmoil, and market instability. That's why, when the stock market and dollar are uncertain, people look to gold as a safe haven. But you might be asking, why now? The reality is, the volatility we've seen this year is likely just the beginning. Even experts are worried about the potential for a recession and continued inflationary pressure. In fact, some of the latest news from the Federal Reserve indicates that inflation could remain a challenge for much longer than we anticipated. And with interest rates being at historic highs, it's becoming harder to find stable, high-yield investments. So what does this mean for you? It means now, more than ever, high earners, people like you who've worked tirelessly to build your retirement accounts, are looking for options that protect their savings from potential downturns. Gold IRAs offer a way to shield your wealth from inflation, economic turbulence, and market crashes. Just like Mark and Linda, you can take the first step by getting a free gold IRA guide and a no-obligation educational call. It's not a sales pitch. It's simply an opportunity to learn if a gold IRA is right for you and how it could provide the peace of mind you deserve. No pressure, no gimmicks, just education. The call is short, informative, and tailored to your unique financial situation. And it's completely risk-free. You've spent your life building your wealth. Now it's time to protect it for future generations. If you're ready to take control and learn how a gold IRA can fit into your investment strategy, click the link below to get started. There's no cost, no commitment, just valuable insight that could change the way you think about your retirement. Don't wait for the next financial crisis to act. Take the first step toward protecting your retirement today.